And subject says sample question papers for term 2 examination of classes 10th and 12th for session 21-22. There is availability of term 1 sample question papers and marking scheme also. And now there is availability of term 2 sample question papers and marking scheme. There is no overall choice. However, the internal choice have been provided in some questions. More preparation, less of luck, but from my side, best of luck to all the students who are going to appear in term 2 exams of classes 10 and 12. And hello, my dear students and teachers, especially those who are associated with classes 10th and 12th and who are waiting for the sample question papers for term 2 exams. This is a good news that CBSE has already released, issued, uploaded the sample question papers on its website yesterday itself. The links are available on the website. I'm going to share the links in the description box also for your easy access. It's an advice that all the teachers and students of 10th and 12th must go through these sample question papers. There is marking scheme also available along with the sample question papers. You can attempt the sample question papers and then do your self-assessment by using the marking scheme which is available. I'll just take you to the circular and then to the main website to show you the sample question papers of one odd subject so that you get hang of it, what kind of sample question papers are there and what kind of marking scheme is there. So be with me till end, watch this video where I show you the website, the links of the circulars and some sample question papers and marking scheme. Share this video as much as possible with all the students and teachers associated with classes 10th and 12th, CBSE affiliated schools, so that they also come to know about this important information and can make maximum use of it. So let's begin. So as you can see, this is the main CBSE academic website, and this is the very important circular, sample question papers for term 2 examination for classes 10th and 12th for session 21-22. This circular was uploaded yesterday itself. Let me open the circular and share the important information with you. So this is the circular. As you can see, it is dated 14th January, means yesterday, and is addressed to all the heads of schools affiliated to CBSE. And subject says sample question papers for term 2 examination of classes 10th and 12th for session 21-22. Further it reads, dear principal, the sample question papers for term 2 examination of classes 10 and 12 for session 21-22 are now available at CBSE website. This is the website address. And then the links are also given over here. If you want to go to the website and then access the links, it is up to you. Otherwise, like I said, I have pasted the links in the description box below. So you can go to the description box also, and from there, you can directly access the links. So let's see what kind of question papers are there for classes 10th and 12th. First, we will check class 10th. So as you can see, there is availability of term 1 sample question papers and marking scheme also. And now there is availability of term 2 sample question papers and marking scheme, which means you can also compare the sample question papers and marking scheme of term 1 with term 2, right? So that is up to you. You can do it yourself. What I am going to do is I'm going to open the sample question papers of term 2. Let's see, this is science sample question paper. Let us see what kind of instructions are there for you people. These are general instructions, and before that you can see it is for 40 marks. As in term 1, for 40 marks, the question paper was already out. You have already attempted that. The duration is 2 hours for this 40 marks question paper. All the questions are compulsory. The question paper has 3 sections. 15 questions are there in total 3 sections. All the questions are compulsory. Section A has 7 questions of 2 marks each, means 14 marks. Section B has 6 questions of 3 marks each, means 18 marks. And section C has 2 case-based questions of 4 marks each, means 8 marks. So total it will be 40 marks. C section will have case-based questions. So yes, the case-based questions will be a part of the question papers as it was mentioned earlier by CBSE. So this is the kind of question paper. Now there are not going to be any MCQs in this term 2. So you have to be very careful. Now you have to prepare for the examination, keeping in mind that the exams are going to be subjective, not objective MCQ type. So now you will get your wish granted, where some students had objected last time that it is tough to prepare according to the MCQ based question paper, where the students do not get marks for attempt. Earlier CBSE used to issue some marks for attempt also. Now in this term 2 exam, you will be getting marks for attempt. So that is a kind of good news for all of you. So these 2 questions are case-based questions in section C. This is science question paper. And this is the marking scheme of science question paper. So here solved answer key is there. So you can just see and check the answer sheet yourself to be confident whether you know the answer of these questions or not. Now, let me take you to the sample question papers of class 12th. Now we will click the link of class 12th to see the sample question papers over here. Here again, I will take one question paper for your reference. I've taken biology. Again, the general instructions are there. Maximum marks are 35 because for 35 marks already in term 1 you have appeared in the exam. Duration is again 2 hours. All the questions are compulsory. This question paper has 3 sections, total 13 questions. Section A has 6 questions of 2 marks each, means 12. Section B has 6 questions of 3 marks each, means 18. And section C has case-based questions, 1 question only of 5 marks. So 12 and 18, 30, 30 and 5, 35. So total 35 marks question paper they have shared with you. There is no overall choice. However, the internal choice have been provided in some questions. This was same in case of science 10th class question paper also, which I shared earlier. So there is no overall choice in this science and biology question paper. Science 10th class, biology 12th class. Remaining question papers you can yourself open and see and just try to attempt them once. That will let you know how prepared you are for the term 2 exams. And if you want to attempt this question paper later on, maybe your syllabus has not been completed till now. Maybe it is completed, but you have to revise. So after completion of syllabus and after doing the revision, you can attempt the question paper. By now, till then, you can just go through the question paper so that you are familiar with the pattern of the question paper of each subject. So I would suggest you to go through the question paper of each subject so that you are very well versed what kind of questions are there going to be there in the question paper. So this is section A, 2 marks questions, then section B, 3 marks questions. Then there is section C having only 1 question, case-based. So this is the marking scheme. Again, you can go through the marking scheme also after attempting the question paper so that you can check it yourself. So these are the question papers of 12th standard, all the question papers. And similarly, 10th standard, all the question papers are also available. So you can go to both the links and check the question papers and marking scheme yourself. from my side, best wishes for your final exams, term 2 exams. Prepare well so that you are not caught unaware. Let it be whether the online exams are going to take place or offline exams are going to take place. As a student, your primary job is to prepare yourself for both the conditions. So once you are well versed with the syllabus, once you have revised your syllabus well, once you have got the understanding of your whole syllabus, your subject, and you are fully prepared for the examinations, then it doesn't matter whether the exams are online or offline. Yes, a little bit of element of luck is required, which was more required in case of term 1 exams. Now in term 2 exams, it is little less required, more preparation, less of luck. But from my side, best of luck to all the students who are going to appear in term 2 exams of classes 10 and 12. And similarly, best of luck for all the teachers also, so that they can prepare their children well for these term 2 exams. If you found this video informative and you like this video, then you can press like button and share this video with all your friends and teachers associated with classes 10th and 12th. At the same time, if there are any queries, then you can write the queries in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Principal Rasik Gupta, and press the notification bell icon so that in future, whenever I upload such informative videos, you may get the notification at the same time. Keep watching Principal Rasik Gupta. Thank you.